नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है शिवन तिवारी और आपका स्वागत है विजन आईएएस फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीज 1 के पार्ट 2 में। यह वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। इन दिस लेक्चर वी स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। Which of the following provisions of the Constitution reveal the secular character of the Indian state? Preamble, DPSP, fundamental duties or fundamental rights. The correct answer is A, 1, 2 and 4 only. The next question is 52. The office of the Attorney General is created by the Constitution of India. The Attorney General is barred from private legal practice. The Attorney General holds the office during the pleasure of the President. Which of the statements given above is the correct? The correct answer is C, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 53. Consider the following statement in the context of National Commission for Women (NCW). It is a non-statutory body under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Only a woman can be the chairperson of the National Commission for Women. It can fund the litigation involving issues affecting a large body of women. The correct answer of this question is B, 3 only. It can fund the litigation involving issues affecting a large body of women. The next question is question number 54. Which of the following can be included in the definition of state used in different provisions concerning the fundamental rights? Public sector banks, electricity boards, district planning boards. The correct answer of question number 54 is D, 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correct. Question number 55. The idea of Constituent Assembly of India was first put forward by. The correct answer is M.N. Roy. The next question is 56. The term cytokine storm, if pronunciation is wrong, then refer to Google. The term cytokine storm recently seen in news is related to. The correct answer is A, overproduction of immune cells. The next question is question number 57. Consider the following statement regarding Article 13 of the Indian Constitution. The power of judicial review of the Supreme Court and High Court is derived from it. Article 13 exempts all constitutional amendment acts from judicial review. The correct answer is A, 1 only. The next question is question number 58. Consider the following statement. In a federation, the power of a federal and provincial government are clearly demarcated. In India, union and state government have exclusive jurisdiction on their respective subjects under all circumstances. The devolution of powers to the local government bodies has diluted the spirit of federalism. The correct answer of question number 58 is C, 1 only. The next question is question number 59. Which of the following is of the features of fundamental rights guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? They are absolute and sacrosanct. They are available against the arbitrary action of the state only. They are enforceable only in High Courts and the Supreme Court. The correct answer of question number 59 is A, 3 only. They are enforceable only in the High Courts and the Supreme Court. The next question is consider the following statements. India International Exchange Limited. India INX is India's first international exchange. It is a subsidiary of National Stock Exchange. The correct answer of question number 60 is A, 1 only. The next question number is 61. Which of the following pair is correctly matched? Mars Mission and Country. Tianwen-1. Insight. Mars Access. Countries Japan, USA, European Space Agency. The correct answer is C, 2 and 3 only. Insight from USA, Mars Access from European Space Agency. Which of the following are the rights of the accused of a criminal offence as guaranteed by the Indian Constitution? No person would be punished for the same offence more than once. No person shall be asked to give evidence against himself or herself. No criminal law shall declare any action as illegal from a back date. The correct answer of question number 62 is D. 1, 2, 3. All the options are correct. The next question is 63. Which of the following states have been the former union territories? Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Haryana and Tripura. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 4 only. Haryana is a wrong answer. The next question is question number 64. Consider the following provisions in the DPSP to secure opportunities for healthy development of children, to promote equal justice and provide free legal aid to poor, to minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities and opportunities, to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forest and wildlife. The correct answer of question number 64 is C. 1, 2 and 4 only. The next question is question number 65. With reference to the type of majorities in parliament, consider the following pairs. Majority required vote, simple majority, absolute majority, special majority. Required for resolution for removal of vice president in Rajya Sabha, widening the jurisdiction on the Supreme Court, abolition or creation of legislative council in states. The correct answer is D. 1, 2, 3. All options are correct. Sorry, in this question is not correctly matched. Well, all options are not matched. The next question is question number 66. Consider the following statement about PM CARES Fund. Prime Minister is the ex-officio chairman of the PM CARES Fund. The fund has been declared public authority under RTI by Chief Information Commissioner. Donation in PM CARES Fund shall be treated as CSR under Companies Act 2013. The correct answer is D. 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 67. Consider the following statement in the context of Finance Commission. It is a constitutional body formed under Article 280 of the Constitution. The Constitution specifies the qualification of members of the Commission. Finance Commission is the final authority to certify the net proceeds of the taxes. The correct answer is A. 1 only. The next question is question number 68. Consider the following statement with reference to the International Council on the Monuments and Sites. It is a global intergovernmental organization dedicated to promoting scientific techniques for the conservation of archaeological heritage across the world. It is an advisory body to UNESCO for cultural heritage in a particular for the implementation of the World Heritage Convention. It is headquartered in Paris, France. The correct answer of question number 68 is A. 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 69. Consider the following statement with respect to the preamble of the Constitution of India. The preamble is based on the objective resolution moved by Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constitution Assembly. The preamble has been amended only twice so far. In the February Union case 1960, Supreme Court held that preamble is the part of the Constitution. The correct answer of question number 69 is A. 1 only. The next question is question number 70. Consider the following statement regarding right to equality guaranteed under Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. It aims at establishing social equality. It provides for reservation of seats for SC/ST in Parliament and state legislature. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 70 is A. 1 only. It aims at establishing social equality. The next question is 71. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of the national emergency in India? President can issue ordinance on state subject if Parliament is not in session. The center becomes entitled to give executive direction to state on any matter. President can cancel the transfer of finances from center to state. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer is D. 1, 2 and 3. The next question is question number 72. Which of the following organizations public index to measure traffic congestion in various cities across the world? The correct answer is C. TomTom. The next question is question number 73. Consider the following statement with respect to fundamental duties. The fundamental duties were inspired by the Constitution of the USA. They can be enforced by a law made by the Parliament. The fundamental duties have been amended only once since their incorporation in the Constitution. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer is D. 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 74. Recently, the Directorate General of Foreign Trade notified procedure for the quota allocation for import of calcined pet coke. In this context, consider the following statement regarding pet coke. It is a carbon-rich solid material derived after the burning of coal. It is a more eco-friendly and less polluting than traditional coal. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 74 is D. Neither 1 nor 2. The next question is question number 75. With reference to the classification of the state, consider the following statements. After independence, all the states were classified into 4 groups. Group classification was abolished on the recommendation of the Fazal Ali Commission. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 75 is C. Both 1 and 2. The next question is question number 76. Consider the following statement about the Central Zoo Authority. It is a statutory body under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Prime Minister is the ex-officio chairperson of Central Zoo Authority. It has the right to recognize and de-recognize zoos in India. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 76 is D. 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 77. Which of the following issues can be taken up by the National Human Rights Commission? Issues of manual scavenging, problems faced by notified and denotified tribes, issues related to right to health. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. The correct answer of question number 77 is C. 1, 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 78. Which of the following requires a constitutional amendment under Article 368 of the Constitution? Election of the President and its manner, admission or establishment of a new state, changes in representation of states in Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 78 is C. 1 and 3 only. Election of the President and its manner, changes in representation of states in the Parliament. The next question is question number 79. To provide early childhood care and education for all children until they complete the age of 6 years, is a provisions made in Fundamental Duties, DPSP, Fundamental Rights, 11th Schedule. The correct answer of question number 79 is B. Directive Principle of State Policy. The next question is which of the following provisions are stated in the Fundamental Duties? To protect and improve the natural environment, to protect monuments which are declared to be of national importance, to uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India, to promote harmony and spirit of brotherhood. Select the correct answer using code given below. The correct answer of question number 80 is C. 1, 3 and 4 only. The next question is question number 81. Which of the following was considered as heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? The correct answer of question number 81 is right to constitutional remedies. The next question is question number 82. Who among the following is are eligible to get registered as the citizen of India? A person of India origin who is ordinarily resident in any country or place outside undivided India. A person who is married to a citizen of India and is ordinarily resident in India for 2 years. A person of full age and capacity who was earlier an Indian citizen and is ordinarily resident in India for 12 months. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 82 is C, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 83. Which of the following is not correct with reference to the rights guaranteed under the right to freedom of religion? It includes right not to follow any religion. It is subject to limitation in order to protect public order, morality and health. It also includes persuading people to convert from one religion to another. It provides for absolute protection from government interference in religious matters. The correct answer of question number 83 is D. It provides for absolute protection from government interference in religious matters. Jawaharlal Nehru was the chairman of which of the following committee of the Constituent Assembly? Union Powers Committee, State Committee, Union Constitution Committee, Rules of Procedure Committee. The correct answer of question number 84 is 1, 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 85. Which of the following statement in the context of Central Vigilance Commission (CVC) is correct? It was established through an act of the Parliament in the year 2005. It consists of a Central Vigilance Commissioner, chairperson and not more than 2 Vigilance Commissioners. Central Vigilance Commissioner can only be removed in the manner similar to that of Supreme Court judge. CVC has to present a report on its performance annually to the central government. The correct answer of question number 85 is B. It consists of a Central Vigilance Commissioner, chairperson and not more than 2 Vigilance Commissioners. The question number 86. With reference to the International Monetary and Finance Committee, consider the following statement. It is the ministerial level committee of the International Monetary Fund. India is yet to become a member of the committee. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 86 is A, 1 only. The next question is question number 87. Which of the following fundamental rights under Part 3rd of the Indian Constitution are available only to Indian citizens? Right to elementary education, right to freedom of speech and expression, right against discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 87 is C, 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 88. Directive principle of state policy provides for the goals and objectives that the society should adopt, the rights that individuals should enjoy apart from the fundamental rights, the policies that the government should adopt. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 88 is D, 1, 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 89. Consider the following pairs regarding the members of the first cabinet in Free India 1947 and the portfolios held by them. Member of first cabinet and portfolios held: Jawaharlal Nehru, Scientific Research, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Education, Vallabhbhai Patel, Information and Broadcasting. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 89 is D. All the options are correctly matched. The next question is question number 90. Consider the following statement in the context of the Central Information Commission. The CIC was first constituted as an executive body and later given the statutory status. While inquiring, the commission has the powers of a civil court. It can take disciplinary action against the errant official. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 90 is A, 2 only. While inquiring, the commission has the powers of a civil court. The next question is question number 91. Consider the following statements in the context of National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR). It is established under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act 2012. It is a multi-membered body with at least 2 women in the commission. Which of the statements given above are correct? The correct answer of question number 91 is B, 2 only. The next question is question number 92. Consider the following statement about the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act and Scheme. It guarantees a minimum of 150 days of wage employment to every household. Gram Panchayats are responsible for the identification of projects, while Gram Sabhas are responsible for social audit of all the products. At least 1/3 of the beneficiaries of the scheme shall be women who have registered for work under the scheme. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 92 is C, 2 and 3 only. The next question is question number 93. Consider the following objectives: liberty of worship, dignity of the nation, equality of status, political liberty. Which of the above given objectives are stated in the preamble to the Constitution of India? The correct answer of question number 93 is B, 1 and 3 only. The next question is question number 94. Consider the following pairs constitutional amendment and outcome. 61st Amendment Act reduced voting age from 21 years to 18 years. 86th Amendment Act fundamental duty of parents for educating the child. 52nd Amendment Act disqualification on the ground of defection. Which of the pairs given above is correctly matched? The correct answer of question number 94 is D, 1, 2 and 3. All the options are correctly matched. The next question is, consider the following statement: fundamental rights can be amended by the Parliament only through a Constitutional Amendment Act. Any amendment to fundamental rights require a special majority of Parliament along with the consent of half of the state legislature. Which of the statements given above is correct? The correct answer of question number 95 is A, 1 only. The next question is question number 96. Which of the following diseases can be vertically transmitted from mother to fetus? Zika, Ebola, HIV, Rubella. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 96 is D, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the diseases can be vertically transmitted from mother to fetus. Zika, Ebola, HIV, Rubella. The next question is question number 97. Which of the following statement is correct in the context of the provisions of the Lokpal and Lokayukt Act 2013? Lokpal has suo motu power to proceed against any public servant. There is no provision for the attachment and confiscation of property of public servants which are acquired by corrupt means. The office of Prime Minister has been brought under the purview of the Lokpal. Anonymous complaints are considered by the Lokpal. The correct answer of question number 97 is C. The office of PM has been brought under the purview of the Lokpal. The next question is, in the context of the Constitution of India, the objective of justice, social, economic and political is explicitly mentioned in preamble only, directive principles of state policy only, both preamble and directive principles of state policy, neither preamble nor directive principle of state policy. The correct answer of question number 98 is C. Both preamble and directive principle of state policies. The next question is question number 99. Which of the following are the features of the parliamentary form of government in India? Sovereignty of Parliament, collective responsibility of the executive to the legislature, periodic dissolution of the Parliament. Select the correct answer using the code below. The correct answer of question number 99 is B, 2 only. The next question is, and the last question of this is question number 100. Which of the following are correct in the context of right in a democracy? Rights are reasonable claims of persons recognized by society and sanctioned by law. Rights protect minorities from the oppression of the majorities. Select the correct answer using the code given below. The correct answer of question number 100 is C, both 1 and 2. Okay friends, this is the 100 question video which divided in part 1 and part 2. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like and share this video. Thank you so much guys.